Today we are solving question number 6 of the ISI MSQE. Statement F is correct. Which of the following statement is correct for this function? So for continuity, fx equal to x square, the sum of the two functions, that is mod x and x squared, this is the two. So both absolute value and quadratic functions are continuous everywhere on R. Okay, so therefore the sum is also continuous, so fx is continuous. So fx is continuous. There is no problem. Differentiability, to take the differentiability, we consider the derivative at different point. At x greater than 0, fx is x plus x square, f dash x is 1 plus 2x. At x less than 0, this is minus 1 plus 2x. At x equal to 0, we need to check the left hand and the right hand one. So limit h tends to 0 plus f of h, f of 0 by h, this will be the thing. So f of 0 plus 1 plus h, so this is 1, and in the other case limit h tends to 0 minus f of h, so this will be minus h plus h square minus 0 by h, so minus 1 plus h, so this is minus 1. So not differentiable at x equal to 0, hence not differentiable everywhere on R. Okay, so next is concavity and convexity, fx equal to 0, so f double dash x क्या है अपना equal to 2, f double dash x negative may be 2 whether it's x is positive, so the second order is positive irrespective of the sign of x. So therefore it's a static statement about this thing, so it's a convex but not differentiable. So this is the final statement.